What do we have here is a Juki model 2210-6 single needle industrial sewing machine, which is mounted on an adjustable Ergo Buddy table. You can adjust this manually by hand, as you can see here, or by the switch. It has an EFCA motor on it. The machine, you can use it in either a standing position and use the pedals like so, or you can use it in a seated position as well, utilizing the pedals. The machine also comes with instruction manuals, parts manual, the engineering manual, everything you need to get any information that you might need to utilize this machine effectively. The machine runs like a champ. I've currently got some leather here that's folded under 3 times, and I'll show you just how easy this machine is to operate here. It's currently adjusted to go relatively quickly. The machine is already on and running. It's just so quiet. You just can't even hear it. Things are so smooth and quiet. I'm filming this as I'm sewing with one hand to show you the ease of operation of this machine. The machine really runs nice. No issues whatsoever. It's like running a little quick. Like I say, I've got an adjustment to do so that way, but you know, you can just utilize a simple adjustment of the pedals down here, and it'll ease the speed rate for you, which is no problem. You've also got your automatic buttons here if you wanted to do your back tacking, what have you. You can hook up your air system to it to raise and lower your foot, or you can do that manually as well. And the machine also, if I can do this with the camera in my hand, has a reverse on it. Okay, you can do manually, you can see there. So, considering I'm doing this all one-handed with a phone camera in my hand, it's not too bad. But again, it's a Juki LU 2210-6 industrial single needle walking foot sewing machine with an EFCA motor and the Ergo Buddy table, adjustable table. Great machine for the money.